This is Kirby James, third dan black belt in Taekwondo and Hapkido, and welcome to Power Breaking for Black Belts in Taekwondo. Welcome to this quick episode on setting up practice stations for you to prepare for your power break. Look, seeing episode 3 is a minimum requirement. Otherwise, this episode makes no sense. So go finish that if you haven't already, and then come back. Setup number 1, target practice. Real simple setup. We need kicking shields and we need a punching target. What we're going to do is we're going to set it up so that you learn where to stand and where to strike. Now, the way you set it up is you stack the kicking shields on top of each other, handles down. And what we then do is we get those to be the height of the concrete that holds up either the wood or concrete you're going to hit. Then place the punching pad and use it as your target. So with your station set up, real simple. Now it's time to use it. You need to get your foot in the right position. You need to landmark in position A. And then it's just a matter of going up and down and getting your movement as you increase speed so that it starts to simulate your test day. One thing. Do not hit this hard. You're going to hurt yourself. At most 30 or 40%. So station 2 setup. Is that tough? No. All we have to do is take station 1 with the shields all stacked up and just slide the punching target off the front. If it's a punching target and it's rectangular shaped, just turn it 90 degrees and now you've got this big target that's hanging out there that you could swing at. The nice thing about this is when you hit through it, you can go all the way to the floor. And part of what we're hoping you'll learn is how to go right through the target so that your hand can come almost all the way to the floor or all the way down to the floor. So how do you use Station 2? Look, Station 2 is about bringing together speed, power, and accuracy. And the whole idea of this station is that you can start to swing with more speed and a little more power and get used to that feeling of coming down and snapping your hand right onto the target without the concern of hurting yourself. Now, don't do it too much. Don't do it at full power. You can still hit the floor going really fast. But the idea here is to set yourself free to feel what it is like to wind up and hit your power break target with something close to full force. In terms of video settings, there's one thing that makes all the difference. You want maximum resolution. The highest frames per second, which may be 60 or higher on your camera. You want the maximum quality, 1080p, 4K is better. You also want to use the slow-mo recording feature if your camera, tablet, phone, whatever you have has it, because you will be able to see more as you move fast. So where do you place your camera? Well, actually, if you can, I recommend you have at least 2 cameras, because then you can see what's happening on the same strike. If you have one camera and you keep moving it every time, well, you're getting one view of different practices. What I want you to have is more than one view of the same practice. That's really important, so you can see what you do right and when you can see what you do not do right. So now you've got video of yourself doing practice for your power break. Compare the videos and the pictures of you as you practice with the videos and the pictures that are in this video series. I go to great lengths in the other 5 videos to point out preferred technique, what's successful and not successful, and then go back and look at yours. So that's it. A quick episode that shows you how to set up 2 different kinds of stations and how to set up your camera so you can get video that you can use to help yourself get better and prepare for your power break. That's all there is to it. Here's the thing. You're missing part of the answers. Go finish the entire episodes. Do it in small bites if you have to, but get a deep understanding so as you look at your own video of yourself, it makes sense on what you need to do to be more successful. So that's it for today. I'm Kirby James, 3rd Dan Black Belt in Taekwondo and Hapkido, and I look forward to seeing you at your school or at the next test sometime soon. Thanks very much. Have a great day.